We move now to address a topic that's been on the political radar and on the forefront of the public at large, and that is insurance. In recent times, insurance has become a complex and somewhat polarizing topic. So, joining us now to make some sense of it is Todd Greenbaum, CEO of Input One, with its goal to streamline and modernize billing, payments, and premium financing for the insurance industry. Todd, thank you for taking time to be with us on Tech Impact.
Hi, Mark. Glad to have the opportunity to be here with you today.
So Todd, your grandfather started the company in the early 1980s, and you jumped on board at an early age as well. So what propelled you to join the family business?
Well, it was a bit serendipitous. I was 16 years old at the time, and we had family dinners quite regularly together. And during one of our family dinners, my grandfather came to me and told me about this new business that he was creating. And it was a business that was designed to help banks get into the premium finance business and providing all the technology and the services related to that. And he needed a software platform to run the business. And he asked me if I wanted to write it for him. And at the time I was a gamer, I was a computer guy, but I really didn't write much code, but I loved a good challenge. So I went out and I bought a book, and a few years later, I taught myself how to write the software, and we had a software program that ran the business.
But then your company, with your influence, took a turn and jumped into the deep end of the insurance industry. What was the motivation and why?
Well, after a few years of being involved in the business and learning how it worked, it occurred to me that a small but meaningful contingency of the insurance buying public used premium financing to make their payments. But a much larger contingency of the insurance buying public purchased their insurance by making a payment in full at the beginning of the policy period, or by using a monthly or quarterly installment plan offered by the insurance company. So we expanded the services and the technology of the business so that we could provide those services to insurance companies and create a business that essentially handled the entire premium collection life cycle.
What makes Input One unique and distinct from other companies vying for business in the insurance space?
Well, Input One is the only company that actually provides all modalities of insurance payment, which means that we can approach an insurance company and allow them to provide a digital payment mechanism for their policyholders to pay the premium in full. We can manage their installment plan, or we can offer premium financing. And by combining all of those together, we become an extension of the insurance company's operations and the central hub for all of the things related to the premium collections. And we also help them accelerate their digital transformation, which helps them remain relevant in the industry.
If you were to define your company's technology and efficiency, what would you say?
Well, Mark, I would start out by saying that at Input One, we have a thesis. And that is that an insurance carrier can offer the greatest value to all of its stakeholders by investing in people that can create great insurance products, price them correctly, and sell them. And then Input One comes in on the back end, and we provide a well-designed, well-thought-out digital billing and payments platform, which engenders great outcome, builds great customer experiences, and assures that the insurance carrier stays digitally relevant for decades to come. You know, we've been doing this for almost 40 years, and we have a 100% success rate in our implementations, and we have clients that have been with us for decades. And the reason for that is that we help them build great back ends to complement their great front ends, and that ensures great outcomes for everyone.
Thank you for your insight and your company's efforts to streamline the billing process in a complex industry.
Thanks, Mark. It was great to be here with you today.
If you'd like to learn more, please go to www.inputone.com or log on to techimpact.tv.